Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming your iPhone 16 and current iOS. This matters because feature availability varies. Once updated, back up to iCloud or Finder so you can revert if needed. Then, open Settings and go to Display and Brightness, where Dynamic Island controls live. You'll see base color and dynamic presets. Choose a preset to start. This is the first actionable step that changes behavior immediately, and it prevents conflicts with system themes. Now you fine-tune hue, saturation, and brightness sliders in the custom color panel. Adjust because contrast affects legibility. Once set, use live actions to bind colors to specific apps or notification types so the island reacts contextually. This is why dynamic looks meaningful rather than random. Make sure to preview the mini demo because it simulates real notifications. If it looks off, tweak saturation or brightness. Then tap Apply to commit interims. To finish, test with notifications, media, and phone calls so you verify triggers and color transitions. This confirms your mappings work in real scenarios. If colors revert or don't apply, restart the iPhone and reapply settings. Often a simple reboot clears cached UI states. Make sure iOS is current, updates fix bugs. If problems persist, reset dynamic island settings or restore your backup. That restores a known good configuration and resolves deeper conflicts.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.